Welcome guys. So this is the last question from WAEC question for the 2025 ICT practical. So we've done question 1, 2 and question 1 and 2. So this is the third question. This one is you are going to be using a Corel because they say use a graphic application to reproduce the image and carry out the task that follows. So first thing we need to do, let us reproduce this because this is where the question is. Let's do this book cover in Corel. Okay, I've already opened my Corel. Now this is my Corel environment. Now when you open your Corel, you will see that your Corel is in this form. This is the drawing page. Call it the drawing page. Whatever that is placed in this middle, whatever that is placed in this page is what can be printed. Do you understand? So anything that is not inside here cannot be printed from the printer. So we must make sure that our work is in between this shape. So what we need to do is we have to change this to landscape. Why? Because their question, look at it here, this image is in a landscape form, not a portrait. So all we need to do, we come here, look at it here, this is portrait and this is landscape. So you see it has changed the shape to landscape. Then let's increase it a little. Come to this zoom, let's make it 50 so that it will be bold enough. I think this size is okay. Then the next thing is, let's get our rectangle shape. We'll click, come to the point, click and drag it to fit in that rectangle shape as well. Okay, that we've gotten it. Then we'll give it an outline so that the lines will be thick enough from what WAEC did for us. Okay, I think this is okay. Then the next thing we need to do is to get the lines at the middle because it's a book cover. So we still go back to this, we'll click here again and drag, click and drag, go back to our shape 2. There, as you can see, it's showing us center, so we can leave it there at the middle. See, it's at the center. Then we can also give it an outline of 1.5. Now if you look at it now, this shape is showing there's an extra space here, so which is wrong. So we can do what they call power clip. Power clip means taking an object and putting it inside another object so they will all align. So you click on this, which is already clicked, you right click, then you click on power clip inside. Then you now click the shape where you want it to go. So I want it to be inside the big box, so it's there now. You see it's aligned. Then after that, we still have another small shape inside it. I'll click again, then drag it. Okay, then I'll still give it an outline of 1.5 so it will be thick enough. I can use my arrow key to take it up so that it will be to align with the other ones. Then there's also a black dot here. How do we do that? Still go back to this rectangle shape, just draw a small rectangle, let it align with this one you've done. Okay, then give it color black, go to the color, use the color palette, click on black, then you move it up a little so it to align. Okay, I think we've done that. Nice. Then the next thing we need to do is to get these other shapes. Look at them. We have to get this shape, this shape, this shape, this one. So the next thing we need to do. Now how do we do that? Let me go back to my work. So those shapes are still rectangle. Click on a rectangle shape, click and drag, give it an outline of 1.5 so we can duplicate it instead of redrawing it. So how do you duplicate it? Since it's highlighted, click on Ctrl D. Ctrl D means duplicate. Duplicate it and bring this one down. Okay, the only thing now is the size, because if you take a look at what is here, the size are not the same, so we can also reduce the size. How do we do that? Come to one of these edge, this point or the nodes, hold your shift key then click and drag so that the two lines will move at the same time, you see. Okay, then the next one is circle. Come here, we'll draw a circle. I think that's okay. Then we'll give it an outline of 1.5 as well, so it will be bold enough. Okay, then we still have another shape here. We can just carry this one, Ctrl D, duplicate it and bring it down to this side. Okay, then the next thing we have here is an octagon shape. So go to polygon tool, look at it here. So click on the polygon. Now then you click and drag. If you observe, the polygon we have here is having just 5 sides, 1 2 3 4 5, but the question, the one where I gave us, is 8. Look at it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we need to make our own 8 as well. Now how do we do that? Once you finish drawing the shape, let it still be highlighted, come to this property bar, look at the point here, change it, already showing 5, so you change, increase it to 8. So I think that's okay. It's already 8 now. Then we can still use this node to turn it so that it will be exactly the way WAEC own is. Are you seeing what I'm doing? We are trying to turn it. Okay, I think it's okay like that. Then we can give it an outline of 1.5 as well. Okay, so we are good to go. Then the next thing here that they say we should do, then we should get about the author, then published by. So we need to type those. So those ones we need to use the text tool. Now this is the text tool. Click on the text tool, then you click where you want the text to show or appear before you start typing. If you don't click it, you won't be able to type. So here it says published, is in capital letters, published by. We have our column. Then here the now says about the author, about the author. Okay, so go back to our picture. Then we can move this one down. Let's move this a little, so this will enter very well. Okay, I think that's all. Then let's take a look at the next thing I want us to do. Now they said insert a suitable title of the book in the box labeled I and the target audience in the box labeled II. So this is I. We have to impute inside the title here and the target audience there. So let's go back. So all you need to do, go back to our text tool, click, then let's say my title maybe, let's say The Secret of Life. That is my own, The Secret of Life. That's mine. Then I can carry it and place in here. Okay, then the target audience I can say for adults, okay. Then I can still go back, carry this one and place here. Okay, then the next question again I would like us to discuss again. This one already we've done this. Okay, now they say they use any artistic design and insert the name of the author in the box labeled IV. In this box labeled IV here, we should use any artistic design to insert the name of the author. So all you need to do is, now these are artistic design, look at them here, these are all artistic design. So we can just use this one, though this one will be too, I don't know if it may be too big enough for us not to use. Okay, this artistic tool will not really give us what we want, so we can just use our text tool. Then we can use a different text style to give it a nice look. So I can just say type, let me just type John, or let me type Steven. Let me use my name, Steven J. or Stephen O with initial. Then I can use my, like I said, change the, let's give it a nice text. Okay, I can use this one. You see, this is very beautiful, so this will give us a better stuff. Then use it and place here. You see, it looks like an artistic text design. So what's the next thing again they say we should do? So use this for the name. Okay, we've done that. Then repeat the title of the book vertically on the spine labeled V. Okay, so how do we do that? So let's go back to our design. So they say we should put the title, this title, we should put it on this spine, this place. So all we need to do is click on the title, duplicate it, like I said earlier, Ctrl D to duplicate it, then move it, take it to this side. Then we can now turn it. How do you turn it? Click on the title again. You see that the nodes will change to this direction. Now you click on this and turn it. Are you seeing it? Okay, then you click back, then put it at the middle there. Okay, I think that's correct. That's okay. Then what next again that we need to do? Then I say insert any image of your choice in the octagonal shape labeled VI to serve as a picture of the author. Okay, now in Corel Draw there's a way we insert picture. We don't insert it, we call it import. Now how do you do that? Go to File, go to Import, to take you to where you save your pictures. Let me just use this one, the WAEC one. Then I click on Import. Then you see my cursor have changed. I click and drag it. Okay, so we've inserted the image. This is it. So if you take a look at it now, if we carry this image and place in this shape, you see it will cover the shape. So how do we do that so it won't cover the shape? We will do what we did in the first place, do what we call power clip. Now right click on the image, click on power clip inside, then click on the shape. You see, it now gives us exactly what we want. I think that's okay. Then what next are we going to, we need to talk to do again? Then they say write a brief description of the author under the heading about the author. That one you do it yourself. Type in the name of the publisher published by. So you go there and type the name of the publisher. Then save your work. So there's something I want us to take a look at. Look at this place. Say note. Use no line for 3A and 3C. This is 3A and 3C. 3A says insert a suitable title in the label this. Then that's it, which is for this one. So let's go back to the work again. They say no line. So these lines that you are seeing here, they don't want this. How do we do that? You click on the line, go to outline and say none. So the lines are gone. Then and that question again, they say we should do 3C. They say use an artistic. Okay, under this one, so that means we should remove the line for this, for the name of the author. We should remove it. So we should go back again to our design. So this one, click on it, then go to outline and say none. You see now. So this is how they want it to look. So please just go ahead and type about the author, then published by, put the author's name. I mean the person that published the book for the author. That's what they mean by that. I think that's all. Let me check if there's any other question we need to talk to work on. I think that's all. We've done everything that we're asked to do. Okay, if there's any question, please just leave it on the comment section and I will discuss that with you. Thank you and have a nice day.